guess who finally got their curtains hung up? So I'm planning out my videos for, I need that actually. I'm planning out my videos for next week, and I'm just trying to put everything into groups for like which video is gonna be for or whatever. So stay tuned for the Christmas holiday videos. I know you guys are gonna love them. I got a lot of good ideas, so make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and you have your post notifications on so you can be notified whenever your girl uploads. But yeah, so I have this. I have some other stuff too, but I'll wait to show you guys that. But yeah, so I just went and got a bunch of stuff yesterday, and I can't wait to record. Hopefully, expect those videos all next week, because this week I had a lot going on and I really couldn't do it. So expect at least 2 do-it-yourself videos next week. So y'all know I've been hinting at the Teamy Blends company or whatever, and I am so excited to announce that I am one of their influencers now. So I'm gonna try this out for you guys and let you guys know how I like it, how did it do for me or whatever, because I have a lot of bloating issues and I think this will really help me. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll have an update on November 30th, so be on the lookout because I'll have it in that video that's posted that day or whatever. So now this is my first time actually going to like try it or whatever. So I'm gonna take this out and just like clean it and stuff and then get started. In the bag up and add a teaspoon. So I'm just gonna take a scoop and add it in. Add that in. Just to drain it back in there. We don't wanna be eating that. And then pour the water. Now add the lid on, and they said you can add like lemon or honey, but I don't have any right now, so I have to get some when I go to the store. Just found this planner that my mom Ben gave me a while ago. It's just like a cute little dainty calendar planner or whatever. I think this was like at Family Dollar or something. So I was supposed to use it for like, I don't know what I was supposed to use it for. Oh yeah, my webinars, but I only did a few webinars and I stopped, so I have like a lot of blank like months in here or whatever. So I'm gonna use this to plan out my Black Friday like deals and like what I'm gonna do to promote and all. If you're an entrepreneur, if you have a business and you're watching this, girl, go get your planner and let's get to planning together. Plan with me. Let's write down our goals. How much money do we want to make? Let's write down how many orders we want to get. Let's write down the promotional ideas that we have. Let's write down anybody that we're working with, set aside money for promotions and all of that. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So yeah. And y'all know my handwriting ugly, so don't even try it. Hey, my nails look a hot ass freaking mess. Like literally, what the heck, Keisha? Okay, so today is November 21st. So we're right here. And I've already started promoting for Black Friday earlier in the week, but if you guys are a small business watching this, you do want to start promoting, because like I've even been like looking up ads and stuff at like Walmart and stuff like that, because it's like you want to save up your money and stuff and prepare for it. So as a business owner, you definitely want to give sneak peeks and like just show your customers and your followers what you're going to have available for Black Friday and how much it'll be, or just, you know, like what sale you're having or whatever, so they can prepare for it. So I'm going to start with Friday. So tomorrow I'm going to promote tomorrow, and I'm going to write down which products I'm going to promote and all of that. Okay, so all I wrote down was promo, and then I want to promote my mini vanities and also my eyelashes, because I do have a lot of eyelashes that's going to be in stock. And if you guys are a customer and you like to support me and stuff, my eyelashes will be 2 for $2.99. So keep that in mind and follow my Instagram. And if you guys love eyelashes, definitely shop. They're pretty good eyelashes. I love them. I only wear my eyelashes and I only wear the faux mink styles. So yeah, they're very comfortable, and yeah. So I'm going to promote these 2 items on tomorrow, well, basically the whole weekend, because I feel like my rompers, I already promoted them, they're doing good or whatever. And I've been promoting my accessories. I may incorporate my accessories either tomorrow or Sunday. So let me go ahead and write accessories. I'm going to do it. I'm going to add accessories for tomorrow. I meant for Saturday. I'm just gonna put like other little cute posts and stuff, and then I'm gonna go heavy again on Monday and put a I'm gonna actually have like an ad of all of my promo deals and stuff. So I'm gonna put flyer for Black Friday. This needs to be posted on Monday. So I'm gonna have that done for Monday, so people can have a few days to know like exactly what all the deals are, because I've been giving sneak peeks, but I haven't posted like an actual flyer. So that'll be done on Monday, and then I want to start adding my rompers in here. So my rompers will probably get promoted again either Monday or the 26th. So I'm just gonna add rompers. By rompers I mean my onesies that you guys seen. So I'm gonna promote my onesies, my eyelashes, and I think that's it for that day. And of course things may change. It just depends on, you know, what I have going on. So for now, this is how I'm going to do everything. Okay, so the 27th and the 28th, I need to come up with some, I'm running ads right now. So I have the ad running for my onesies until the 26th, so I need to run an ad again on that day, and I'm gonna run an ad all through here, all the way up to Cyber Monday. So my ads are going to be running, and I also have promo from a few influencers that will be done on this day. So I have that out the way, and I have 3 of those. So I just wrote that down. Of course, this is just sloppy. I know what I'm talking about when I write that. But okay, so I have that. Let me see. Oh yeah, okay. So for this day, I'm also hosting a giveaway. Wow, can I spell? That does not say giveaway. I'm also hosting a giveaway on Monday, and yeah, so I just need to be promoting. So this day I'm gonna also upload my flyer, and I'm gonna upload onesies because I really want to push those. Of course, I'm gonna be uploading everything, honestly. Let me add lashes. I usually use my notes, but this is good because I can actually see it for like the days and stuff. I usually use my notes though on my phone. I'm like addicted to that. But yeah, so all of this will go on for that, continuing on until Cyber Monday. Cyber Monday is very important because everybody's going to be shopping for Cyber Monday. So I am going in on all of these days. I'm going to post my flyer again for Cyber Monday. And I'm going to basically, I don't even know what I'm going to promote yet, so I'm just going to leave that like that because for Black Friday, I might sell out of some things. So I'll come back to that after Black Friday and see like what I have left and what I need to promote, like what didn't sell good and all of that. So yeah, I'm glad that I got like the days figured out and stuff. So yeah, like I said, I usually do everything in my notes on my phone, but this is good to just see like the actual dates and the days and put everything together or whatever, because on notes you just literally writing. But yeah, so I actually want to go in here and see if I can add my video schedule. So because the week of Black Friday, I won't probably be posting as much. Vlogmas is coming up, and yeah, so I'm going to post on the 28th because I should have a video ready already, and that's Black Friday. Of course, I want to post. And I think I'm going to post Cyber Monday. Things may change, who knows? That's the start of Vlogmas, so I have to post. I don't even know what's gonna be my vlogmas schedule, y'all. I might do every other day, but I'm not sure. So, course posting today. Yeah, next week I'm really gonna be focusing on Black Friday a lot. So I may have, I should have at least 2 videos up, but yeah, okay, so we got that. And yeah, so girl, December, I'm gonna be so busy because like I'm trying to do vlogmas. I'm gonna try to do every day, but girl, I do not like be having enough content. When I wouldn't even say that. I just be having so much going on. Sometimes I can't upload every single day. But yeah, so this is what I have going on. And I have like a lot of things in depth of like what I'm not gonna show on here, but this is just like an overview or whatever. So yeah, now let's go ahead and write our goals, how much we want to make. I'm gonna write mine right here. Just write it just for fun. So I usually do this every year. So I'm gonna like break it down with my businesses, how much I want to make. Okay, so I wrote down my goals. I'm gonna come back to this and see like how do I do after Black Friday and Cyber Monday is over. My Black Friday schedule, as you guys can see, starts on the 28th and it'll end either that Monday, Cyber Monday, or either that Tuesday. I'm not like 100% sure yet. A little brief like ratchet little overview of what I'm going to be doing and what I expect and stuff. So yeah, make sure you guys are organized and you just like wrote everything down. I know like, cause I'm the type of person I keep everything in my head and then I just need to see it like laid out, like okay, I'm gonna do this or whatever. So I'm gonna do some more things off camera, and yeah, I hope you guys are prepared for Black Friday. If not, girl, you better hurry up and get your express shipment going like right now because we still got time. And if you have shipments coming in late after Black Friday, girl, it's still cool because you still have Cyber Monday. So yeah, and bill is gonna be all of December, literally all of December is shopping time. So don't be stressed, don't be worried or whatever. Okay, so I know today was like pretty just, you know, all we did was plan or whatever, but it's very important. I know y'all be wanting to see exciting stuff all the time, but being an entrepreneur, it's kind of boring sometimes, a lot of the times actually. So yeah, so all I did today was plan, and yeah, I'm about to actually go out and go to the mall and like get my hair and stuff figured out. So yep, I wanted to go ahead and get this video uploaded, but you guys did want like Black Friday video. So as you guys can see, I did yesterday's and then I did today's. So expect another one tomorrow. And I wanted to do like a boss talk. Hopefully that'll be up next week. So just expect about 2 more Black Friday videos. And yeah, I hope this motivated someone to, you know, get to planning and like get your business and stuff ready for Black Friday, because you definitely want to. I don't know why you wouldn't, but yeah, so y'all know I give free codes out in every one of my videos. If you're new here, girl, yes, I give out codes to my boss friends to get free access to my webinar replays. So this code is only valid for one person. Today's code is planning. So all you have to do is go to my website, kdkbeauty.com, and add one of my webinar replays in your cart. Put the code planning in and then check out. So you'll have access to one of my webinars for free. In my webinars, I have free vendors. I have just tips and tricks on different things. If you guys need custom eyelash packaging or vendors and stuff like that, I definitely have that available. So if you still want to invest in yourself, the webinar replays are only $9.99, and you can go ahead and use a discount code on top of that, and girl, get yourself ready. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you got out your planner or your little notebook or your phone or whatever you use to organize and just started organizing. That's something you need to be doing with your business. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll talk to you tomorrow, boss friends. Bye.